Play animations on demand without relying on Animator Controller. You can even utilize this without our sequencing system to implement your own animation system. Sequence your command or function using node-based editor. You can also create a branching flow and parallel flow. Using Text Mesh Pro, Sequine also has a stackable text animation tool with some presets available. You can also code your own custom text animation behavior. You can call the sequence from anywhere, be it from MonoBehaviour, ScriptableObject, or Timeline. It can even be called across different scenes. Sequine already comes with essential commands, but in case that's not enough for you, you can also add your own custom command. Sequine also has a built-in global data management that stores predefined variables that can be modified during runtime and can be saved or loaded. All those features, yet Sequine remains efficient and optimized with almost zero garbage collection. Get Sequine today.